What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn on and off the magnifier on the 11 Pro. So the first thing we want to do is start off by turning it on. I'll explain a few things of how it works, and then I'll show you guys how to turn it off. So turning it on, you start off by going into Settings and scroll down into Accessibility. Once you are in Accessibility, the third one down, you will see is Magnifier. Go ahead and select that, and right up here it says magnifier lets you use your device's camera to quickly magnify your surroundings. When enabled, triple click the side button to start magnifier. So let's go ahead and select that, make sure it's on. And from here we can just triple click, 1, 2, 3 clicks on the right button over here on this side, and that magnifier turns on. So let's say you are looking at something, maybe you wanted to read something, some kind of fine print, something small that you can't normally see or read. Go ahead and have this setting set, and then at this point you can come in, select it. There's a yellow ball you can use to zoom in or out. You can go ahead and tap it to focus. There's the little button that was right down there that I selected. It gave me this option. It kind of took a picture for, it's not really a picture, it just took like a screen save. It just took a photo of what I had in my hand for zooming purposes, so you could zoom in and see the full picture of what you're looking at. You could zoom in to the point of where you need it. If it's something you need to read, you can always swipe along and read it or view it that way. And if you were to leave this page, let's say we're just to swipe up and leave it, that photo still is saved in that magnifier. So when we go to triple click, you guys will see this photo is still here. So the way to get rid of this photo is just by clicking on the screen. This portion once again pops up and you deselect it, and just like that, it once again removes it. So we do have that zoom option here, and by selecting the screen, it gives you the option to focus. Hit the round button to freeze the image that you're trying to take, trying to magnify, and just like that, you have that magnification set. You could zoom in and out at this point. So that's just a quick tutorial of how that magnifier works. So let's say you want to turn it off. Same thing, we're going to start off by going into our settings. From settings, we're going to go into accessibility. From accessibility, where it says magnifier, select that and deselect magnifier. And just to show you guys, it's currently not on, so it's not working, and it then powers off your phone screen. So that's just a quick tutorial on the magnifier, how to turn it on and off. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody who might be needing this video. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.